If you're having issues with Bluetooth on your OnePlus Nord CE6, here's what you need to do. So this may be as a result of a couple of things, and we'll be going through them one by one to see if they're going to help you out. So if you're not able to connect to your Bluetooth devices or actually use Bluetooth on your phone, here's what you need to do. So simply swipe down from the top right corner and actually ensure that you've actually turned on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is off, toggle it on and see whether that's going to work. Or you can try and turn it off from here, then turn it back on and refresh that connection and see if it's going to work. Now, if it's an issue with a Bluetooth device not working, you can also go into settings and then select Bluetooth, ensure Bluetooth is on, and then you want to select that particular Bluetooth device that is having an issue, and you want to select Unpair and unpair that device completely from your phone, and then you want to repair or pair again that device to pair that device once again to your phone and see if that is going to solve the problem for you. Now, if that is still not working, you can try and restart your phone and also restart the Bluetooth device to see if it's going to refresh that connection and get them working well once again. Now, another thing that you can try and do is under settings, go into system and update, and then tap on software update and check if there's an update that you need to install on your phone to get things working smoothly once again. If you're running the latest software update, the latest software version, then the last resort is actually going back to settings and then select system and update and then choose backup and reset. And then here you want to select reset phone and then tap on reset network and Bluetooth settings. Verify yourself using your pattern, PIN or password, and then you want to confirm that you want to reset the Bluetooth settings. So this will mean that all Bluetooth data is going to be wiped from your phone, including all your connections, and you're going to have to reconnect them once again to those Bluetooth devices, and that may refresh the connection and get your Bluetooth working well once again. But that's basically how to fix that problem with Bluetooth not working or having issues with Bluetooth on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Like and subscribe if this was useful. Let me know what worked for you down below. Take care and God bless.